Hello everyone. Let's look at this question once again from IGCSE Mathematics Paper A. The question asks us to find a range of value of x in terms of p and m for which the gradient of c is negative. First, let's consider this statement for which the gradient of c is negative. Gradient is also called the y over the x. If the gradient of c is negative, then the y over the x is less than 0. Now let's consider the question. Y equals to p s cubed minus mx. The y over the x, which is also called gradient, is equals to 3p s3 minus 1 minus mx 1 minus 1. For those of us who is hearing the word the y over the x for the first time, or we must have forgotten what is the y over the x. The y over the x is also called differentiation. Now, let's consider y equals to ax to power n. The y over the x is equals to n times a, which is n, which is the power, times a, the coefficient. That will give us an. Then subtract 1 from n, x to power n minus 1. Now, this rule is what has been applied to differentiate y equals to ps cubed minus mx to give us the y over the x equals to 3p x to power 3 minus 1 minus m x to power 1 minus 1 equals 3p s squared minus m x to power 0. Recall that x to power 0 is equals to 1, equals to 3p s squared m minus m. So the y over the x is equals to 3p s squared minus m. Now again, we consider if the gradient of c is negative, then the y over the x is less than 0. That is 3p s squared minus m is less than 0. From here, we can see that x has two values. If we can reconsider that 3p s squared minus m is equals to 0, that implies that 3p s squared is equals to m. Divide both sides by 3p. 3p s squared divided by 3p will be equals to m divided by 3p, which implies x squared equals to m over 3p. Square roots of both sides. Square roots of x squared equals to plus minus the square roots of m over 3p. It implies that x is equals to plus minus the root of m over 3p. Therefore, the range of value of x is negative root m over 3p less than x less than the root m over 3p. This is the range of value of x, which can as well be written as or absolute of x less than the root of m all over 3p.